Hello and welcome. You're watching One India. What's trending? What's trending today is work-life balance. You remember, Narayana Murthy passed a comment when he said that India's work productivity is the lowest and youth should work 70 hours a week to get in balance with other countries. Yes, you heard it right. 70 hours a week. Is that possible? Maybe it is for him. And we are getting an update on this that Motilal Oswal and a financial company has recently come up with a switch off mode. That means that employees will not be disturbed after their work life. Means they will not be disturbed after their office hours, which is 8 to 8.5 hours. They will be out of all the emails, all the messages they receive in the office. Now, both of these are contradicting, isn't it? So we, the corporate employees, are here today to discuss and share our point of views on this, that what we think about these two statements which has come up recently. So Ansh, as a corporate employee, what do you think about both of these statements? Whom are you with?
Coming first to the Narayan Murthy statement, Narayan Murthy का जो statement था, that was more or less about work productivity, okay?
Yeah.
And he was not wrong at all कि yes, इंडिया में work productivity बहुत हद तक नहीं है उस लेवल की जितनी होनी चाहिए. Because see, at this point of time हम लोग अपने आप को कंपेयर करना स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं यूएस से या और भी वेस्टर्न पार्ट से, जैसे फ्रांस हो गई, जर्मनी हो गई. So yes, you need productivity, that's completely true. But there is something which he didn't mention और शायद उसकी वजह से इतनी ज्यादा कंट्रोवर्सी हुई, that was कि work life balance. Okay, इसकी वजह से उन्होंने सामने से आके कह दिया कि 70 hours a week आपको काम करना चाहिए, you should work for 70 hours a day, जिसकी वजह से इतना सब हुआ कि okay, this means कि हमारी कोई लाइफ ही नहीं है. Like we are corporate employees, so yeah, we do understand that what exactly does it mean to have a work-life balance. Sometimes we have to not cancel exactly, but delay our programs. Sometimes even move them ahead. कि okay, office का ज़्यादा important काम है तो अभी तो वो करना ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है. So I'm not going here. I'm not going to meet my friends. So yeah, that's the first thing. Coming to Motilal Oswal, okay. Motilal Oswal's this new plan, I think that's pretty good. Okay.
Yeah.
Coming to a personal opinion, why? देखो, मैं भी नहीं चाहूँगा, आपको जो काम करना है, do it in office. After office, there should be no disturbance. You should have a good sleep. You should meet with your family. You should enjoy with them. Yes, but the very time you get inside your office, you should forget everything for at least 8 to 9 hours a day. I think that's my take.
So your take from this is work-life balance.
Yes, work-life balance.
Yes, which is very important. And you know what, Narayana Murthy's statement that 70 hours a week, if we calculate it mathematically, it means that if we work 70 hours a week, we'll be left with only 8 to 9 hours in our personal life per day, because commuting is also a thing. We come to office and some people come from far away.
Exactly.
So it also takes time. So 8 and 9 hours left in your daily life. You have sleeping in that, many personal activities, family, the most important thing. So that's the thing. Ishika, you are new to this business, to the media industry and to the corporate world. So what do you think, Narayana Murthy's statement, working 70 hours a week, does your enthusiasm allow you to work 70 hours a week?
My take on this is yes, people can work for 70 hours a day and...
No, week, sorry.
70 hours a week, sorry.
Yeah.
And some of them do for various reasons, such as they are having multiple jobs, demanding jobs, and most importantly, their personal choice. But however, it's important that we know that working for several hours can have a negative impact on our health, brain, and our productivity and our well-being. So it's very important that we have a balance between our personal and professional work.
Definitely. So you are saying about the pros and cons of working 70 hours a day or working more, if we say in simple language. There are many pros and cons of it. Like the pros, if we talk about, our skills get more polished, right? And collectively, what Narayana Murthy tried to say in the statement that if we work 70 hours a week, if our youth get this, then we will be standing equal to other nations. So collectively, if we work 70 hours a week, then yes, it is good for our nation. It is good for India. But at the same time, we can't deny the fact that it has so many cons with it. Sorry. let's take health. We work on computer, on systems. We watch screen most of the hours of our day. And it has major vision issues. Like I am personally getting it. I'm going to doctor next week. I had no vision problems, but now I'm getting it because I'm into this industry. Then there are many health issues, like headache is also one thing. If you watch consistently the screen, you will have headache. So there are cons also of this. So like, what would you say on this? The pros and cons thing, Ansh.
Your productivity definitely increases by this, and see, there needs to be something time constraint thing. Okay, so कम टाइम में आप ज्यादा काम करना सीख पाओगे अगर आपका थोड़ा सा टाइम कम हो. एंड देन कमिंग टू द फैक्ट कि अब इससे व्हाट्स द नेगेटिव इम्पैक्ट. सो डेफिनेटली लाइक यू सेड कि आपकी आईज में दिक्कत होती है. आई ऑल्सो वर्क एट इन फ्रंट ऑफ माई स्क्रीन एंड समटाइम इट हैपन्स कि ऐसा सीवियर हेडेक होगा आपको कि यू आर नॉट एबल टू जस्ट हैंडल इट एनीमोर. यू हैव टू आइदर टेक अ डिस्प्लिन और समटाइम्स
I have in my bag.
सी yeah, that's what I'm saying. कि पेन किलर लेना पड़ जाता है. इतनी सारी लाइट्स देखी कि भाई अब क्या करूं, मैं समझ ही नहीं आ रहा है. सो इट हैपेंस. हेल्थ इश्यूज डेफिनेटली बहुत अकर होंगे. एंड I have been working for like 1.5 years now, more than that. So yes, I am experiencing it. You are experiencing it, and definitely you are going to experience it too.
So coming to the Motilal Oswal current policy, which they have introduced, they will not disturb their employees in their personal life. So this is good for some sections of the corporate world. But does it? Can we implement this to media persons, to police, to for say the most important, to the medical people, to the hospitals, to the medical professionals? Can we imply this to them? Because what medical professionals are doing, they are giving emergency services. Midnight somebody can fall sick, or somebody can fall emergency medical situation. So at that time we can't say no, our company doesn't allow us, so we are not going to treat you at this time. Let's take our example. I have worked at 1 a.m. at night. Our work is breaking news. If something is breaking, we can't say that we can't work at this time. We have to serve to the people. They are watching us. They are dependent on us for news. So we can't say that if something is breaking. So what do you think? Is it okay for these professionals?
See, for some professions like administration, police, then comes media, hospitality also. No, I don't think it can be followed there. If they get followed there, then पहली चीज तो ये भी होती है कि आप लोग को उतने लोग होने चाहिए उनकी जगह कि ओके, इफ ही इज नॉट अवेलेबल देन आई मस्ट हैव अ सेकंड ऑप्शन फॉर हिम. बट that's not the scene right now in many places. Like in media, that doesn't happen. अगर आपको ही कोई प्रोग्राम करना है, so only you can do it. No one other has any idea of that. So yeah, you can't do it. That comes to the police too. In some situations कि कहीं पे कोई क्राइम सीन हो गया तो अब पुलिस वाले एकदम से तो कॉल करके नहीं कि आई एम स्लीपिंग, आई कांट कम, सॉरी, आई विल स्टार्ट द इन्वेस्टिगेशन इन द मॉर्निंग. सो नो, दैट कैन नॉट हैपन. सो नो, देयर आर सम प्रोफेशंस जहाँ ये सब नहीं हो सकता, एंड वी शुड एक्सेप्ट दैट फैक्ट. बट यस, देयर आर मेनी प्रोफेशंस जहाँ ये सब हो सकता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, Infosys, okay, Narayan Murthy's own company, it can happen. Motilal, definitely there it can also happen, because they are IT guys, so yeah, they can do it, but not media at all.
Yeah, but here comes a point, is the shift division, right? Which we also work in the shift division. If a company wants an employee to work at 3 a.m. at night, then they should be dividing the shifts and giving that time to that person, and then rotation in the shifts. Then it is possible for media, what I think, like media and the health sectors also. Then they can serve to the people at the midnight thing or the other shifts which are talking. So basically the point is, people should not be disturbed except their shift timings, which they are given, like 8 to 9 hours. So if my shift is from, for take example, 9 p.m. at night to 6 a.m. in the morning, then I'll be asked in that hour, but I'll not be asked after 6 a.m. So that's the point. It's like not midnight or morning, but the point is not disturbing an employee when they are not working. Like that is the point. So let's go to the ground level. So Ishika, what do you think if a person is at their home at 11 p.m. at night and a message pops up from the office in the office group and they mention the person to do some work or it's like important to do at that time? What's the mindset of people at that time, or on personal level? What's your mindset when you see a message on your phone from office at 11 p.m. on night?
I think if I've just come home from office and I'm eating or doing anything else, and if I'm awake and a message comes nearly at 11 p.m. and it's emergency, then I think a person should do that. He should not neglect that thing, and he should do if it's an emergency.
Yeah, definitely. I would like to ask both of you on personal level, like both of these statements. I'd like to I'd like to ask both of you that at the end, we are concluding this discussion. At the end, what do you think which should be implemented? The 70 hours work shift or the switch of policy which Motilal has?
See, I believe a mix of both, a fusion of both. Okay. I do believe that there is a need of work-life balance, and I do believe that yes, productivity is something that one should not compromise in. Okay. So, yep, a fusion of both. That's what I can say.
I agree with him. There should be a fusion of both in work, in work and in personal life.
This is what we think. Whether you go with the Motilal Oswal switch off policy or you go with Infosys's 70 hours work policy, we can't deny the fact that this doesn't depend on us.
That's
It's the company's demand which we have to follow. Yeah. And see, at the end of the show, I want to say one thing, that we should not be trapped in all these statements and lose our enthusiasm and start treating us like a corporate employee properly. We are here to work, to make ourselves proud, to make our country proud, of course. So we should keep that enthusiasm in us, that excitement is in us, and work as much as we can, regardless of the shifts. I would say that on my personal level, regardless of the shift, if you can serve, regardless of all these statements coming in, follow what your company says, of course, but do not lose that enthusiasm, that excitement as a youth, which you have in you to work and to do something in your life. Thank you so much for joining in.